So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about the Take Solutions. So we'll discuss about the company fundamentals as well as the technicals. So this particular stock was also most recommended in the comment section. So that's why I decided to make a video on it, and people who are regularly following me in Telegram, they might be knowing that I updated about this particular stock in Telegram as well. So I've discussed that the next level to watch out will be 38 rupees, and I told that it is at good support and interested people can add in small quantities, and it has respected that level and it has given a good bounce back. And if you see the current market price is 43, means you are getting almost 6 to 7% profit in almost 2 days. And people who are willing to hold this particular stock for long term will also see what are the next possible levels. So if we see what actually Take Solution does, so Take Solution delivers domain intensive services in life sciences as well as supply chain management. So this is not only the business of this company, it also provides software services. So these are the main two businesses, and it is also fast growing in life sciences space, and it also provides clients a user combination of full services, clinical, regulatory as well as safety services. So this particular company is well diversified. If you see the various operations of this company, you can see it is spread across North America, Europe, Asia as well as South America. So the major business of this company, that is profit as well as revenue, are obtained outside India, that is mostly in Middle East countries as well as in American countries. Okay, if you see about this company was founded in 2000 in Chennai, and today if you see the employees who are working for this company are almost 1500, and if you see the key offices are in 10 countries as well as spread in 4 continents. So well diversified, a decent diversification is seen, and if the company performs very good in future, then definitely further movement will happen. But the stock was falling continuously because of the decline in Q4 results, because the businesses outside India were also not going well, especially in Europe as well as America. So that's why the company else also started correcting, and it was near the 52-week low. Okay, so we'll discuss the financials as well, and you'll also see what are the latest management changes which had happened in this particular company. So if you see the latest management changes, you can see Take Solutions announces to appoint of Lalit Mahapatra as the Chief Financial Officer. So they have appointed Mr. Lalit Mahapatra as the CFO of the company. So we can also see that Mr. Lalit is well educated as well as experienced, especially in life sciences sector. So you can read here, comes from decades of experience in life science industry with knowledge and deep acumen in business operation. And Lalit is an established CFO with 25 years plus experience. So he's very well experienced in finance as well as and accounts, fund management as well as budgeting. So also does strategic planning as well as financial control and merger and acquisitions and forex management. So these are the basic interest of him, and he has a very good experience. So if his experience is utilized very well, and if the company generates good amount of profits, then definitely further movement also will happen. And we can also see Mr. Srinivasan HR, who is the Vice Chairman as well as Managing Director of Take Solutions. So he also said about Mr. Lalit that he is very strong in finance as well as he is very well experienced in life sciences, will definitely benefit the company and will increase the shareholding strength as well as will increase the value of the company. So these were the statements which were given by the chairman as well as managing director of Take Solutions. So very strong statements given by management. So that is what I wanted to my viewers to know about the management as well. So management is very important whenever you invest in any company. Now let's see the basic overview as well as shareholding. So if you see the current market price is almost 42.45, almost it is in 4.04% positive. If you see the market cap is almost 627.98 crores. If you see industry P is 23.34 and current P was 25.12, and deliveries are almost 65.71. If you see, one interesting thing I found that the deliveries also started increasing day by day. Before it was very less, but later, once when the stock has formed the bottom and once the business operations are also improving in other countries, the stock has started showing initial signs of recovery. But we need to focus on the level. So 38 is a very good support for the company. We'll also see what are the next resistances as well in the technical charts. Okay, if you see the shareholding summary in Take Solutions, you can see promoter is having almost 58.6% and FIIs are having almost 9.6% and general public are having almost 29.7. So the promoter stake was slightly decreased if we compared with the previous quarter, but this particular stake, that is 58.6, is also very good stake by the promoter. So you can see that promoters have decreased their holdings almost by 8.24% of holdings as of June 2020 quarter. And we can see one good thing is that mutual fund holding was increased almost to 1.12% of June 2020 quarter. We'll see which mutual funds are having holding in them as well. Okay, apart from that, you can see FII's holding in stock has slightly reduced. Okay, if you see the historical promoter holding, so that's what I wanted to discuss. If you see from June 2018, so when the promoter had almost 66.8% stake, later he reduced to almost 66.9 and current holding is almost 58.6%. So the promoter also should increase his stake, but this stake is also very good. If he's increasing, implies that the promoter is having more hope on the company. Okay, if you see FII's holdings, you can see almost 9.6% stake was there. If you see who has that stake, you can see First State Investment is almost having 1.63% and also TKP Investments is having 1.18 and rest of all are minute. So these are only the major who are having a good stake in this particular company. Okay, if you see the mutual funds holding, that is on monthly basis, who have added in this particular stock, you can see Motilal Oswal Nifty Small Cap 250 has in, if you compare in May 2020, you can see they had almost a 4.58% stake, but later you can see in April 2020 it has almost changed to 5.35. Slight increase was there. So that what I discussed in previous slides, that mutual fund holding is almost increased and Motilal Oswal Nifty has also increased slightly their particular holding. So mutual funds were showing interest in this particular stock. So whenever any stock falls, they also watch potentially fundamentally strong stocks and they also add at that levels. Okay, if you see the overall, that is number of mutual funds buying, holding and selling, you can see the holding of the mutual funds is almost constant. Selling has been reduced. So no selling is happening by any of the mutual fund houses. Only buying is happening, buying as well as holding. So more mutual funds investors should come and they will come once the company will start generating the required profits as well as revenues. So before it was generating a very good amount, but later because of the COVID as well as the drop down business issues, the company has reported minute losses. So we'll see that as well. So if you see the financials of this particular company, you can see in December 2019, it was very well going. Almost the revenue has also increased to almost 654.5. But later in March 2020, where the turnaround came, where it has revenue has decreased, even it has reported loss almost of a 120 crore and profit before tax, net profit, so everything has reduced. So this is the 159.2 crore loss was reported by the company. So right now the financials have were not good, that's why the company has also corrected. Okay, we'll follow the technicals. So once the technicals are obeyed, then definitely a good amount of result will be obtained for us. Okay, if you see the volume analysis, so if you see the volume analysis, that is the traded as well as the delivery volume. You can see if you compare with the weekly average, you can see that time also little bit of trading was there, but deliveries if you combine only 71.4 was there. But later in 31st July 2020, you can see almost 71.7% is there. That is combination of traded as well as deliverable quantity. If you see the returns of this particular company, you can see almost in 1 week now it has started movement and it has given 3.79% positive returns. 1 month, 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, all are negative returns. Almost in 1 year also it has given minus 55.50. 3 years also negative returns were given by the company. So big move has not yet come in the stock and definitely will come, but we need to hold patiently. If you are a good investor, then definitely focus on the levels and invest on dips. So now we are back with the main point, that is the technicals of this stock. So you can see what we are seeing in RSI. So RSI also is below 30 and it is considered oversold. So completely the RSI has not yet reached oversold, but it has in oversold region only. So money flow index is also in mid range. So 30 below is considered as a oversold, and above 70 is also called overbought. And we can see technically the stock was also weak for many weeks as well as days. It was continuous downtrend, but later since 2 days it has given a good movement. Now we'll see on charts and we'll try to find out the levels. So now we are on 1 day chart. You can see 1 day chart, the 38.58 level, how exactly it has been respected, and it has given a good bounce back. Now immediate resistance for it is around 43, which is the 20 EMA of the stock, and immediate next target will be 48.03. Only one support is there, that is the 38.58. So watch out for that level as well. If you see the money flow index also, it is pointing upwards and showing that momentum is possible and it may go further. Price movement may happen. So that is what it is indicating. So very good support and good movement was given by the stock. So watch out for the levels of 43 as well as 48. These are the next resistances of this particular stock, and support is 38. So one week chart also, we can see that the stock has almost reached the oversold region, and now reversal may also happen. So previously, if you see back testing, so once when it has touched the oversold region, again a sharp recovery was seen. So both the positional traders as well long-term investors can definitely focus on this stock. So once the 43 level is being broken, then definitely further movement will be happening. Okay, so focus on these levels and invest in small quantities. In next videos we'll discuss about another excellent share. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.